Hast thou given the horse strength? Hast thou clothed his neck with thunder? He poureth in the valley, and rejoiceth in his strength. He goeth on to meet the armed men. He mocketh at fear, and is not affrighted, neither turneth he back from the sword.
Who can command the morning? Who can calm the storm? Who can hold the heavens and carry the weary home?
I am small before you, but I am safe in your hands. When I cannot understand, still your wisdom stands. Doth the hawk fly by thy wisdom, and stretch her wings toward the south? Doth the eagle mount up at thy command, and make her nest on high? She dwelleth and abideth on the rock, upon the crag of the rock, and the strong place. Moreover the Lord answered Job, and said, Shall he that contendeth with the Almighty instruct him? He that reproveth God, let him answer it. Then Job answered the Lord and said, Behold, I am vile. What shall I answer thee? I will lay mine hand upon my mouth. Once have I spoken, but I will not answer. Yea, twice, but I will proceed no further.
I will be still, I will not strive. You are the Lord over my life. When words fall silent, faith remains. You are still good through loss and pain.
Then answered the Lord unto Job out of the whirlwind, and said, Gird up thy loins now like a man. I will demand of thee, and declare thou unto me. Wilt thou also disannul my judgment? Wilt thou condemn me, that thou mayest be righteous? Hast thou an arm like God? Or canst thou thunder with a voice like him? Behold now Behemoth, which I made with thee. He eateth grass as an ox. Lo now, his strength is in his loins, and his force is in the navel of his belly. His bones are as strong pieces of brass. His bones are like bars of iron.
The mountains know your name. The rivers move by your command. The creatures great and small are resting in your hand.
Canst thou draw out Leviathan with an hook, or his tongue with a cord which thou lettest down? None is so fierce that dare stir him up. Who then is able to stand before me? Whatsoever is under the whole heaven is mine. Then Job answered the Lord and said, I know that thou canst do everything, and that no thought can be withholden from thee. I have uttered that I understood not, things too wonderful for me, which I knew not. I have heard of thee by the hearing of the ear, now mine eyes see thee. Wherefore I abhor myself, and repent in dust and ashes.
I have heard of you, but now I see in the dust and ashes you are near to me. I surrender my questions, I lay down my pain. Your wisdom is deeper than all I cannot explain.
And the Lord turned the captivity of Job when he prayed for his friends. Also the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. So the Lord blessed the latter end of Job more
than his beginning.
The Lord is wise.
The Lord is near,
Rest now
and